Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing the browser and confirming prerequisites, unlocked phone and an active connection. Once done, open Samsung Internet if you want secret mode, or open Chrome for a classic Incognito tab. Make sure you have any required biometrics or device PIN ready for secret mode, because you may be prompted to set or confirm it. Now tap the browser icon and get to the interface. This first action gets you into the tab controls, where private modes are launched. Next, enable the private session. For Samsung Internet, tap the tabs icon, 2 squares, choose Turn on Secret Mode and follow prompts to set a PIN or use your fingerprint. This protects that session. For Chrome, tap the 3-dot menu and select New Incognito tab. You should see a dark theme and a hat and glasses icon. You do this to prevent local history, cookies, and form data from being stored. Make sure the special icon appears so you know private mode is active. Finish by closing private tabs when you're done. In Samsung Internet, disable secret mode or close all secret tabs. In Chrome, simply close incognito tabs or exit the app. If private mode won't start, restart the browser and check that a PIN or fingerprint is set for secret mode, or clear the app cache as a next step. Make sure you understand the limit. Private mode stops local history and cookies, but it does not hide activity from websites, your employer, or your ISP.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.